Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find these 200x meme coins early. Now here's an example that I did the other day and how I knew that it was going to be viral. So I found this coin as soon as it went live, the Luigi coin. Now if you didn't know, there was a health insurance CEO who got killed in New York by this guy right here. As soon as his name was released and he was arrested, this meme coin came out. Now I seen this story straight away and decided, right, well, this is going to be a massive meme coin. And the reason why I knew that is because it was already a trending story on the internet. Now, what you need to do in order to find these 200x meme coins, which is pretty much guaranteed, is as soon as a trending story or a viral meme or a massive topic takes the internet by storm, as soon as that happens, if you can find a meme coin that relates to that and find the right one, because there's going to be a load of different meme coins that are like alternatives to it. In order to find the right one, you just need to find the one with the most liquidity and the most volume. The tool that I'm using to find all these meme coins and invest in early is BullX. Now with BullX, there is a massive wait list with thousands of people waiting to get onto this exchange. But if you click the link in my description below, you will skip the wait list and you'll be able to sign up to this exchange instantly. So this is one example. I bought in at around 100k market cap or something along those lines. The candle moved really quickly, and then I sold at around 30 mil market cap, and it went even higher, but you can see that it dropped down straight away. So my advice to you is probably just to sell half your bags when it gets to a certain point, just to make sure that you can take your profit, let it ride a bit, but usually it'll go to a massive amount when the story is at its highest, when it's at its peak and there's loads of people posting about it. Then the more likely that the meme coin behind this topic is also going to be trending. So let's have a look at some other examples, just so you know that I'm not bullshitting you. Let's have a look at this one. So there was a massive story about loads of drones that are being found in New Jersey. There's loads of debate if it's UFOs, if it's military aircraft. Nobody really knows, but it's a trending story. Loads of people are posting about it on sites like X. So this is what you need to do. You just need to keep an eye on all social medias, TikTok, Instagram, X, and you just need to follow all the big news posts that are going to be posting about different stories. If you see that all these news posts are posting relentlessly about a certain story, then you know that it's got a higher chance of going viral, which will also pump the meme coin. So let's have a look at this drones one. So it was released on the 12th of the 10th of December actually, and it took a couple days to actually start to get pumping up. But if you found this coin early, especially when it was at 100k market cap, and you decide to invest in because you sort of seen that there was loads of people posting about these drones, the Pentagon have done an announcement on it, the more that there was more news coverage on this, then the more it grew. So you can see that it'll grow to like 6 million market cap. People will be like, oh my God, I've got a load of money, and then as soon as you start seeing that everyone else is selling, they'll take some of the profits and it'll go back down. But because this is a trending story, I believe this meme coin will keep on fluctuating, but it'll probably keep on going up until the story is resolved, until we know what the drones are, etc. So what you can do if you miss these stories and it's already a trending story, you could be able to get in at the bottom when there is a bit of a dip, if you know that people are still posting about it. And you could still make, from this 2.4 million, if it went up to around the 10 million market cap, you could have made it a 4x in a couple of hours with this strategy. But if you get in at the start and find these trending meme coins early, then there is amazing gains that can be made. So if you got in at 100k market cap and then decided to sell at a 10 million market cap, then it's 100 times your money. Now let's have a look at this other example as well. So this was a trending meme a couple of weeks ago when Kendrick Lamar dropped his album. On one of the songs, he says this, and it was instantly a trending meme. You could see people posting about it. Donald's even posted a tweet around it. The more this song started to trend on TikTok, the more it started to trend over social media, then the more it grew. So this actually grew to around 70 million market cap in literally a day. Like every Friday when new albums come out, a massive artist, and they do something in there which becomes a meme, or one of the songs becomes a meme, then you know there probably will be a meme coin made for it, and it's probably going to pump to insane levels. So If you decided to invest in at the start right here for, I think it grew quite quickly, this one, but if let's say you got in at a 250k market cap, which on normal meme coins, 250k market cap is actually quite high if they don't have any trending stories behind it that's going to push it even more. So if you got in at 250k market cap, a lot of people might be thinking like, oh, I've probably missed a boat, it's gone over 100k, but it doesn't really matter with these ones that are going to become trending, and you know are going to become trending because of the audience behind it. It would have been a 280x if you bought a 250k market cap and then sold at 70 million, and this would have been in a day. Now here's another example that is quite different. So with actual memes that go viral on the internet, just like this chill guy one, if you've seen this chill guy meme trending before the 20th of November, you would have made insane amounts of money. So it's slowly growing right here, probably at this, so it was at around $1 million market cap because loads of people are reposting and trending this meme. One way I can show you how to find trends is either through Twitter. So you can look on the explore page on Twitter, or you can go to trending. And usually I put it to United States trends because the majority of meme coin investors are from the United States. For me, I'm in the UK, but I find that there's a lot more volume in the nighttime of the UK because of all the Americans that are on. Or you can go to TikTok Creative Center and log into your TikTok account, and then you can actually see what's trending at the moment. What I'll usually do is put it to the last 7 days and then put new to top 100. It's automatically set to United Kingdom, which is a bit of a pain, to be honest. So if you want to change this, you can try using it with a VPN and create a TikTok account with that VPN, and you might have access to see what's trending within the United States. But this also just gives you a good example. So you can scroll through and look at all the trending hashtags and see if there's any mentions of memes or anything else like that. So there's the drones mentioned there. There's winter update. I know that a lot of people are creating memes around like the winter arc and everything else like that. So that could potentially be one. Mention of the full moon. But you just keep on looking at this as much as possible. Just keep your eyes peeled on social media, especially TikTok. A lot of people don't understand the power behind just scrolling through TikTok. What I've done is I've created a brand new TikTok account so that none of the algorithms on my previous account of what I've already been interested in is set to it. And then I'll log into that account and I'll just sort of scroll through the For You page. I will not like any of the content really, unless it's anything to do with like memes or trending memes. I'll just go through and watch it and just see what I can find. Usually you might not be able to find anything. If you keep doing this every single day, you've got a better understanding of what's going to become trending and what's going to become viral. And that is the whole key behind this strategy, is looking at what's already viral or what's becoming viral. And trust me, it's probably the best way to actually find meme coins without gambling. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it starts to make a bit more sense of how to find these 200x gems. With this strategy, finding the right trends, you can make 200 times your money in a day sometimes. But remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just me giving you a guide on what I'm doing right now to constantly find these 200x gems. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more trading content.